My name's Anthony Livingston.
My name's Logan McGinnis. Our project's the Clawcopter.
The main objective of the project is to have a quadcopter retrieve an object and bring it back to the user. Capstone kind of like brings in everything that you were working on throughout your 2 or 4 years, pulls it all together.
Yeah, I think we came a long way. Like, I went from not really knowing like how drones really worked to getting a much greater knowledge about how they work and how they function.
We were working on separate pieces. I was working on the software side while he was making sure everything was together, and we had the capability to do what we wanted to do. I think we've learned to kind of stick on schedule because we went through quite a bit of boards and other pieces that were pretty expensive. Make sure you know that the materials, components will work before going ahead and buying them.
If you think you're done doing research, do more research.
The help we got was from our project advisors, Craig Damon, Mike Marceau, Leslie Damon as well. She helped a lot with the networking aspects.
Kind of gave us a bit of a confidence booster to kind of push through the project.